Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 26th of October 2017 and as you can see it's close to 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia. Still is close to 8 p.m. in London and 3 p.m. in New York Eastern Standard Time. Let's get to the market. We had some radical move today. Almost is about an hour, as you can see, about 2 hours left to the New York close, but we can analyze the market now. This is oil, as you can see. If you remember, I drew this small resistance line here. I tried to break it. It's kind of false break, I think, because it's formed a bearish candle after that, so it didn't continue. If it comes back down, it's a false break. I have put 2 positions and very good situation. Let me move my stop losses to the break even at least. And yeah, so I locked down some profit here, and as you can see my profits are about 1300 at the moment. I have a big loss, this one USDCHF. We will take a look at that after we analyze the gold and silver. So oil is kinda stuck in this level, and if it breaks, it's gonna go higher, probably about 300 pips. So yeah, take a look at this one. If it breaks this level, you can open a position, or if you get a pin bar like this one, you can open a position on oil. This is gold versus US dollar, and I drew this small channel about a week ago, so still it's going on, going down. It's gonna fluctuate a little bit. Probably we have these small pin bars and it's close to this resistance down here, but still there's no clear signal. It's gonna be the same in silver. Yeah, you see this market is very dangerous for a trader. You know, it's choppy. You see these arrows, up down up down. It's gonna drain you out of your money. So remember, do not trade in these kind of things, in these kind of situations. Just stay away. And staying away from the market is a position, okay? It's not only buy and sell position. You can stay away and keep your position, keep your money safe, and that's the position. Okay, the next is EURUSD. I have a position here. It's 1 microlat, not much, but still good. I move my stop loss a little bit higher than break even, and it's getting close to my target. I put this target, if you remember, just in case, you know, I didn't calculate the target, so I just leave it there. It seems that this is gonna go on and on. Stochastic is in oversold, in overbought, and as you can see it's above 80, is trying to cross, so probably this trend is almost over. It's not time to get in. So if this market, if this pair comes back and touches these moving averages and gives you a clear signal like a pin bar or something, inside bar or something, then you can enter this pair. Unless, do not enter this one. Though the zero lag MACD is above 0 and it shows that the trend is up, it's an uptrend market, but still it's a very slow trend. If you I don't know, you can see this. See, this trend is very slow. It's not moving very fast. We need these kind of trends here. So this one is very slow. It takes you a long time to make a profit in this kind of situation, and normally you're gonna lose money. So just stay away from this pair from now. GBPUSD, by radical move I mean this one, like something like this. So we had a small retracement, a pin bar, and this big candle which close, hopefully this today after these 2 hours gonna close above all these resistances. So if you draw a small resistance line here, see that this candle clearly gonna close outside of this resistance. And I told you about a knot. I don't know if you remember or watch my previous videos or not. A stochastic and MACD, beside all the other type of traditional signals that they produce, there is one signal that normally I've never seen anybody talks about it. Only one or two people on YouTube talk about it. It's a knot. A knot is when like here, okay, this moving average gets close to see the MACD gets close to the moving average. It almost touches the moving average, or it does. It touches the moving average, and then it opens up again. We call it a knot. When this knot happens, it's a clear signal to enter the market. And as you can see, we have a big candle, closes above the resistance line. We have this knot, and we have this stochastic knot as well here. So it opens up. It's a clear signal for us, for me at least. So I'm gonna open a big position on this one, a one lot. Buy. I'm gonna put the stop loss under the candle, and let me draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar. It's not that big. Oh, sorry. But it still is good. I'm gonna put my target almost above this, halfway after this 26.1 Fibonacci level, close to 4.2. Probably it's better to put it on up there, but yeah, it's just a safe position here. So hopefully this gonna work out. Let's see what happens. Let's see this knot is a good signal or not. So USDCAD, I have a one lot position here. I opened it about, I think yesterday or the day before. After this big, this is the same thing, all right. As you can see, this is a very small resistance line here, and when the big candle closes above, outside of this resistance, it's a clear signal for us. And you have to, as you can see, the zero lag MACD cross, the stochastic cross, though these are not at the best position, like down here or on the like under the zero line, so you can get a clear signal, but these are very good short-term signals. As you can see, this is getting close. It's in this resistance area, resistance zone between these two resistance line, but it's a very short-term good move. So yeah, this one is very good. Remember this kind of trading. USDCHF, this is the one that I'm losing at the moment. I got a clear signal probably around there, I think. Yeah, after this candle we had a pin bar here, and we had a very strong resistance area, resistance zone here, and this candle closed down. So I thought it's gonna be good, but I didn't. I had to follow. I don't have any stop loss on this one. It's very strange. I think I just put this one to follow this currency pair, but anyway, this is not good. I'm gonna close this anyway. I'm gonna lose a $940 on this, but it's okay. EURUSD. EURUSD is fluctuating, not a clear signal. The zero lag MACD is getting close to cross the zero line, but yeah, nothing at the moment yet. So we stay away from EURUSD. USDJPY, I have a one lot position. It went up very good, but today it came back. Let's see how much profit we have. USDJPY, where is it? Oh, okay, $213, not bad. Okay, there's no signal to enter this one, so just wait. AUDUSD, fantastic move. I think I got a signal up there, and it hit my target around this resistance line. I just put this resistance just to have a target. So this one, probably this move is gonna continue, but I don't enter this one. If you want, you can. You know, it closed under this resistance line here. The stochastic and MACD are very clearly going downtrend, so maybe you can enter. But after these big candles, we normally have a little bit of retracement like this one. So I don't know if you want to enter. This trend is gonna continue probably for a while, so this is a good trend, but not a good signal. You don't have a signal here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, this is the same thing. It closed under this resistance line, and this trend is continuing for a long term, and it's gonna go probably for a longer time. Like here, it's gonna go sometime, but it's not a clear. The clear signal was this pin bar here, and we should enter over there above that, about 100 pips, 80 pips into profit at the moment, but this one is too late. And the last one, AUDJPY. This one is the same, it closed down, but this one shows a very good signal. I think we open a small position, both of these two, to see how it goes. To see that we can continue this trend or no. Just to check that this kind of trend is strong enough or not. So we open two small positions, put the stop loss above the candle, and put it just a roughly target down here, just to have a target, and then we adjust it later on. So we have two positions in CAD JPY and AUD JPY. These two gonna move in tandem, so they are very correlated. So if you don't want, just open one position in one of them, not both of them. I just want to follow the trend to see what's going on and what happens. We're gonna learn how the market reacts to these kind of moves. So I have these two positions only to follow the trend to see if my signals, these kind of trades, gonna work out in the future or not. I wanna learn. So yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, if you learn something, please subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot. Please spread the word. There are so many traders out there, they don't know how to trade, they don't know how to analyze, they complicate things, and they think that the trading is very hard and the professional traders are like magicians. It's not. It's simple. Okay, it's simple rules, simple facts, simple systems. Just you need a little bit of discipline to follow the signals. That's it. So let them know that this channel exists. Share on your social media if you have any social media, and let others know. We can talk about these kind of things. Very good. So, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. If you haven't found this zero lag MACD indicator, or this kind of this is another indicator, MA2 signal, it crosses every time it crosses, it produces these arrows here. If you haven't found them on Google, I'll put a link in the description below. You can download it for free on my website. And yeah, that's it for today, and I hope your trades turn out very good, and have a nice day.